In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a dumbbell hammer curl. This is a great exercise that targets the biceps. But with the hammer curl actually emphasizes the brachialis, which is the outside portion of the biceps. Now when doing this exercise, the first thing you need is just a pair of dumbbells. Now when getting into the starting position, the first thing you want to do is go ahead, roll the shoulders back, keep the chest up, slight bend in the knees, and push the butt out. So you have a real strong athletic position. Now with the hands, I want the hands in a neutral position, just like this, okay? Now when performing the exercise, you're going to stay in this strong athletic position and then go ahead and raise both dumbbells up at the same time, just like this. Now when performing the exercise, as you can see, there's very minimum jerking and very minimum movement of the elbows. Let me show you from the front. Just like that, okay? Now what I don't want when performing this exercise is a lot of jerking motion and movement from the elbows. I do not want that happening. So don't do this. Don't jerk up the weight like that with your whole entire body. And also don't do this when you see a lot of motion in the elbows, okay? You want to have a strong athletic position so you're creating a lot of resistance into the brachialis. This is how you do a dumbbell hammer curl.